as mobile operators transform their networks to deliver innovative new services that no one else can provide. RAN programmability has become the cornerstone that enables them the adoption of technology the industry has not even imagined yet. However, while the inherent nature of O-RAN's architecture, with its open interfaces and disaggregated infrastructure, plays well in the adoption of network programmability through the use of RAN Intelligent Controllers, or RICs. Purpose-built RAN deployments, composed mostly of proprietary architectures and solutions, limit the activation of the programmability and block revenue growth through innovation. From the point of view of sustainability, CSPs know that building the network of the future will not be viable without the ability to reuse and monetize existing deployments. VMware's Non-Real Time RIC, called VMware Centralized RIC, has integrated Cellwize's Chime platform technology to deliver a programmability platform that is RAN neutral and focused on the enablement of a vibrant ecosystem of application partners. Relying on Cellwize Chime platform for RAN data mediation and AI services, VMware Centralized RIC removes the inherited limitations of purpose-built RAN deployments, finally unlocking modernization and monetization of the RAN. Now CSPs can move operational and business intelligence away from the underlying infrastructure and back into their control. One example of the benefits of this integration is the activation and onboarding of the Cellwize ENDC RAP, which dynamically manages dual connectivity through programmability in existing 5G NSA deployments. Let's see how this is done. Communicating with both O-RAN and purpose-built RAN deployments through VMware Centralized RIC, Cellwize ENDC RAP is onboarded with the RIC using VMware RIC SDK. Cellwize Chime's ENDC application is then configured as follows. First, the relevant geographical region and its particular cells. Then, optimization policies and frequency strategies to be applied. And lastly, the app scheduling and needed triggers. After this configuration process, the app is now ready for automatic execution. Using Cellwize Chime Data Mediation Service, VMware Centralized RIC functions collect information from multiple sites in the region, package it, and send it to the RAP for processing. The Cellwize ENDC RAP then utilizes its AI/ML capabilities. Its deep neural network engine assigns priority ranking for the different sites, allocating the best site for the anchor. Cellwize ENDC RAP automatically applies the optimization decisions via messages sent to VMware RIC that leverage Chime to translate it to vendor-specific language and interface. This way, the anchor is provisioned to the network in an automated, closed-loop manner. We have seen how Cellwize ENDC RAP is onboarded on VMware Centralized RIC. But how does this optimization translate into business and network value? The ENDC RAP maximizes the usage of the costly 5G spectrum, offloading the exhausted LTE network and releasing RAN bottlenecks, thus significantly improving the overall network capacity. The following chart shows 5 days in a month window during which the RAP was activated. As a result of the incremental effect of activating the RAP, we can see an increase of more than 100% in general uplink and downlink traffic in the cells, and also an increase of more than 70% users in 1 month. In this demonstration, we have seen how Cellwize's RAP, onboarded on VMware Centralized RIC, optimizes ENDC anchoring to maximize spectral usage in purpose-built RANs, and how this optimization leads to monetizable gains in performance. But this is just one of many examples of innovation that Cellwize and VMware can bring to any type of RAN deployment through programmability. With VMware RIC powered by Cellwize Chime platform, operators can now transform any RAN into a revenue-generating multi-services hub.